Okay, children. So here comes our next question. Now you have to tell me which of the following is an example of a vertical line. Do you remember the vertical line we studied? Yes. So I have four options. Is it option A, option B, option C, and option D? You have to identify and tell me which of these is a vertical line. Is it option A? Yes, option A is the vertical line or the standing line. Vertical or standing line. What is option B? What type of line is this? Correct. It is an example of a horizontal line. We can also tell the horizontal line as sleeping line. What is this option? This is a slanting line. And what is the last option? You got it correct. It is the curved line. Okay. So the right option is the vertical line or the standing line. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. So here I am going to draw a small face for you. And from this figure you are going to answer me few questions. Okay? This boy's face is so cute, which is consisting of different shapes, right? He's looking so smiling. So now, my question is, how many circles are there on this face? And the options are A, 1, B, 3, C, 5, and D, 2. Can we count the number of circles? The first one is the face, 1, the ears, 2, 3, and the eyes, 4 and 5. Shall we do again? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So which is my right answer? It's option C, which is 5. Now from the same diagram, your next question is, how many triangles are there? And your options are A, 1, B, 3, C, 5, and D, 2. So how many triangles can you find on this face? It's only one, which is towards the nose side, right? So my right option is option A, which is 1. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. Now, my next question is again a tricky question. Okay? I'm going to give you a diagram and you have to tell me which of the shapes fits correctly in this given space. Okay? Which shapes fits correctly. Okay? And my option is A, a triangle. My option B is a rectangle. My option C is a semisphere. What is a semisphere? A semisphere is the half of a circle. That is why it is called as semi, meaning half. Semisphere. Okay? And my last option is a square. So which of the shape will fit here? Can you see this picture and tell me what will come in this question mark? Good. It is a triangle because the piece of triangle will fix correctly in the given picture. So my answer is a triangle. Okay. Shall we move on? So here comes my next question. Okay. Now, what shape is this, children? It is a rectangle. Okay. Okay. Yes. And I am going to shade this portion. Now, the question here is, what is the shape of the shaded portion? And my option is A, square, B, circle, C, triangle, and D, rectangle. Can you tell me the answer, children? What is the shape of this shaded portion which I have shaded in the center? Is it a square? No, because the opposite sides are equal. All the four sides are not equal. Can you see? Is it a circle? No, there is no circle in this given figure. Is it a triangle? No, it is not a triangle either. So what is the last option? It is a rectangle with four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And two opposite sides being equal. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Your next question says, how many corners a rectangle has? And your options are A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, and D, 8. So how many corners does a rectangle have? Can we count it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whichever shape you take, whichever rectangular shape you take, you have 4 corners in a rectangle. Okay? So my answer is option B. Shall we move on towards the next question? Okay, great. So here comes my next question. You have to identify the cylindrical shape in the given picture. And your options are, the first one is a birthday party cap. The second one is a table, writing table, where you do your writing part. Okay. The third one is my Pepsi can. You all love Pepsi, right? And the fourth one is my spoon. So, is it option A or option B or option C or option D? So, tell me which is a cylindrical shape in the given pictures? Good. Option C, your Pepsi can has got a cylindrical shape, right? It has got two curved faces. Shall we move on? Here comes my next question. Now you have to match the shapes correctly. Okay? So children, this you have to match with the correct shapes. Okay? So now my option A will be okay. So what shape is this? This is a window. And what shape is this? It is a rectangle. So rectangle I have given as D, option D. Yes? What shape is this? It is a sphere. It's a ball and it's a sphere. And where is sphere written? The first option. Yes? So this I will be matching with the last one. And sphere I will be matching with the first one. What shape is this? It's a cube. Yes? So this is what? This is a cone. Where can you see a cone? In the birthday parties. Right? So it is a cone. And what shape is this? This is a cube. Can you give me an example of cube? The box. Right? Then the dice. You have sugar cubes. So all these are the example of cube. So can you tell me which of these is the right option? The first is 1D. Where is 1D? Here. 1D. Then second one is the ball. A. 2A. The third one is cone. So 3B. And the fourth one is cube, which is 4C. Yes? So my right option is option C. Are you clear, children, with the diagrams?